welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you clicked on this video for a reason. You're probably in charge of decorating for a baby shower, gender reveal, birthday party, anniversary party, whatever. I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate any party on a budget. And I don't mean throwing pieces of little balloons here and there. I mean, people are gonna be asking you like, dang, did you hire a party planner or something? Like, did you spend $400? No, honey. Me and my friends are throwing one of the girls in our group a baby shower, and I'm in charge of decorating. The baby shower is actually tomorrow, and I'm gonna start prepping and decorating today because it's gonna be held at my house. So the first thing that I did when I was planning how I was gonna decorate this was obviously, is it a boy or girl? Or what is gonna be the color scheme of the party? We decided to just go with blue since she was having a boy. And I decided to throw a couple of accent colors in there, which are white, gold, and silver. Next, I went on Pinterest, Google, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, to find some inspiration. Next, you figure out where you're gonna throw the party, figure out the layout, where you're gonna place everything, then the fun part. Shopping. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got for this party. First, I'm gonna start off with what I got from Dollar Tree. I'm literally gonna just run through everything that I got. First, I got these blue streamers, some of these baby carriage, baby shower party favors, some rattles, party favors, this blue baby block, so cute. 2 packs of tissue decorations. You can't rely on Dollar Tree to have the nicest decoration ever. I mean, honestly, you probably can. No lie, they have some pretty good stuff. But I wanted some pretty, like, nice, high quality things. The next place I went to was Walmart. I got this 3-tiered cupcake stand, this baby sign, 2 packs of table covers, a gender reveal confetti explosion thingy for a boy. And I mean, I know it's not a gender reveal, but I thought this would be kind of cute in videos, pictures, whatever. I also got this Oh Baby sign, 3 packs of blue balloons, 3 packs of white balloons. I got a helium tank. This was literally only like $24 or something like that, and it blows up to 30 balloons, and trust me, I did the math. It's worth it. Don't go to Party City. Then I went to Hobby Lobby because they were having a sale on their party things. I got this little blue basket thing. Honestly, I kind of got it because it was like 50 cents. I got this little storage box. This was also like 90 something cents. I found these cards, advice for the new mommy. I'm going to put these in here and have my friends write advice to my friend, and they're gonna put them in here, and she's gonna take this box home and do whatever she wants with it. I think she'll appreciate that. And I got another baby balloon sign, another table cover, it's a boy sign, and this cute blue striped table runner. So the next place I shopped was Amazon, and the reason I went on Amazon is because I took a trip to Party City because I wanted a specific piece of decoration, and the price was astronomical. And I went on Amazon and it was literally half the price. So I got this baby balloon set. You guys will see how it looks later, but it's so cute. And it came with these tassels, a pump, and I think there's an Oh Baby sign in here as well. Then I got this balloon arch set. So with this, you can pretty much create a balloon arch. You'll see later. And then I got this set right here. This came with like all of these, like hella balloons, hella props. Came with cupcake props. It came with a cake prop. Like, I think this you can put literally on top of a cake. Honestly, think it's necessary to get balloon pumps because I think I have to blow up almost 400 balloons, and I am not. My lungs are not doing that. No. So that's pretty much everything that I got, and I will link everything down below. I'm going to start blowing up these balloons, and I'm pretty much going to take you guys along with me and show you guys how I decorate for a baby shower on a budget. Guys, I just could not do it anymore, so I went to Walmart and got this. My arms were killing me from the pump, so that's just a piece of advice. If you're not gonna have friends to help you or family to help you, get a pump. I went ahead and blew up this Oh Baby sign. I think I'm gonna put it in the center of one of the balloon arches. I got the table runner on, and I went ahead and put this on my island. Everything's kind of coming together. I put this above the mirror. It's kind of cute. You guys already know how it is when Mariam put the camera on me.
It's my channel. I know you guys like better when it's my channel.
It's not a vlog, Meryl. It's a direction thing. So I'm not gonna include that part.
Oh. You know, she's just trying to steal my spotlight. But it's all good.
Dang, I got another It's a Boy sign. Like, what the heck? Real. I don't know. I don't know. I just kept buying things.
She was excited.
Because I told you. Like, what the heck? That sucks. That's so annoying. So I'm about to pump up these balloons with my pump. Don't mind the background noise. My sister's playing a movie. Got all of my balloons blown. Thank God to this thing right here. Really good investment. And then I have my lovely assistant. Oh, doing those. This kit came with a balloon arch insert thing. Honestly, I don't know what, but this balloon insert strip has holes in it. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have it through the hole and then I'm gonna pull it all the way up to the knot. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I actually decided to do the string method because I didn't like that other method. I don't know, for some reason the balloons just weren't holding on, but I'm gonna show you guys really, really fast. Again, excuse the background noise, my sister's watching movies. 2 balloons, and I'm going to wrap them around one another like this. And I'm gonna grab the other nozzle. This is the same line you use for helium balloons, and I'm gonna wrap it around one balloon, come through the middle, wrap around the other. Again, do it again so it can stay together, so you can reinforce that. And then you go ahead and wrap it around the last balloon. Make sure you do it tight. Just keep wrapping it around balloons, you know? And yeah, that's how I do that. And I'm just gonna keep going.
Okay, so I wanted to explain this just a little better. So as you guys can see, I have 2 balloons in my hand and I wrapped both nozzles around one another and I grabbed both nozzles with one hand. So I have both of them in one hand. Then I went through the middle with some blue string and wrapped it around one balloon. And I went through the middle and wrapped it on the other balloon. So I created like an 8, if that makes sense. And then I wrapped the string around the last balloon on the cascade, balloon arch, balloon bouquet, whatever you call it. But if you guys want me to do a more in-depth video on how I create these balloon arches, let me know and I'll do a tutorial on it.
Hey guys, so it is the next morning. I know I look a little cray-cray, but it's because we are getting ready for this baby shower. I did so much work last night. It was just a lot, you know, I didn't vlog all of it. However, right now, this is where we are so far. Okay, so here is the front door, and when you walk in, this is the view. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, you're gonna look to the right, and I put the tassels on this door right here, as well as this boy sign. It initially said baby boy, but it popped as I was blowing it up, so yeah. And then I just put a little bow there. I made it out of the extra table liner that I had. My sister did this last night. She put the Dollar Tree tissue decorations on the lights, and then I put the It's a Boy sign over the lights. You guys saw this baby boy sign, and we have balloons all over the place. Such a vibe. I created this balloon cascade right here. And then the baby sign. Here is that baby block, more balloons. Here is the bigger balloon cascade with the Oh Baby sign in the middle. I put some tissue decorations over the fan. On my coffee table, I just put this Oh Baby sign right here. I put some of the Dollar Tree trinkets. I just scattered them throughout the house. Here they are right here. Here's the advice for new mommy box, and this is where you're gonna put the advice. So far, that's everything. I'm about to blow up some helium balloons just to have floating around. I will be back with a final walkthrough.
Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving. wash the pain away. Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away.
Sometimes I wanna run away, 'cause I can see you from me. But you never know, never know it. I'm feeling something for you. Baby, it's getting stronger. But you never know, never know it. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't wanna know the one, 'cause I really need you, baby, love me. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't wanna know the when. Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how
Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away.